Okay, so our last video, and hopefully our last ever handwriting video, I'm not getting excited, think I could actually show you on the board. We're looking at the U letter making the oo sound, okay? So the U letter making the oo sound, or the sound actually, a short one. So it comes in put, okay? It comes in pull, ooh. It comes in cushion, sh, on, and it comes in awful. Okay, so or, and then in the full, f, ooh, and playful. So pretty much anything with all at the end. Play, oh, you see it there? And pudding, pud, d, t, ing, pudding. Let's double the D. Otherwise it would make a U sound, wouldn't it? Okay, so have a little go at those, have a little practice. Last one, hopefully. And then we'll have our silly sentence. Are you ready? Used a fronted adverbial on this one. Playfully, they pulled the awful cushion and it flew in the pudding. Playfully, they pulled the awful cushion and it flew in the pudding. So I'll just write that one. Playfully, so fronted adverbial is where you put the adverb first. So playfully doing something is the adverbial. Playfully, and I'm going to put my comma. They pulled the awful cushion and it flew into the pudding. Full stop. So have a little check. Does yours look like mine? Okay, can't wait to see you back. Next handwriting lesson in class.